Hi guys, so today we are going to this video is going to be about Akeneo. Akeneo is a PIM. If you don't know what a PIM is a project information manager. You can check out their website. Basically, it allows you to add specific information, products information and catalog information in order to better your SEO and other improvement like images. It allows you to simply centralize in one place all your product catalog requirements. It's becoming more and more popular. We had an article on it, which is why, and the article is pretty much popular, which is why today's video will be presenting this technology. This article has been written in 2019, so the instructions on it are still valid, but some things have changed, so which is why we are going to see today the updates, mostly concerning the connector, the official connector of Akeneo connector, which will allow you to connect your Akeneo to Magento. So today the goal of the video is to show you how you can create configure a connection between Akeneo and Magento in order to download your product catalog information from Akeneo into Magento. So the first thing we need to do, I already done it, I don't know if I'm going to. So first you need to create a group. I think I'm gonna create it, it's fine. So Magento group 2, like I said, I already done this, but for the sake of the video I will do it again. And you can add all the user you want in this group. And a role. This part is very important, so Magento 2 role, and we are going to give it some permissions. Mainly this one, you should not forget about this one. Very important, because the connector will communicate with Akeneo through the API. You can fine-grain tune these permission depending on your requirements. If you only want to import products information, you can just specify those permissions, or if you want to use Akeneo as a destination, meaning imports the information from Magento to Akeneo, you have to give the right permission. You never know, and maybe you plan to create a custom module, Magento module, to do custom things, so you have to customize your available permission to the list. So now we are going to create the connection in itself. So Magento and here in the flow type you are going to choose a data destination, because the connection will go from Akeneo to Magento. So it's Magento is the destination of the data. If you wanted to import from Magento to Akeneo, you will have to choose data source. Likewise, like I said earlier, if you're planning to do some custom dev and you have custom requirements, you can choose other. Depending on your need, you can click here to check the documentation for more information on this. So now that the connection has been created, you have to keep this password somewhere safe. We will need it soon. So like I said, you have to choose the role we created and the group we created as well. So everything seems fine. You have to save this. So now we are going to install the connector on Magento and do the configuration. So this is the Magento server. And require this. Hopefully it will work fine. Okay, so now we are going to enable the connector. And do some setup, upgrade, and flush. So this Magento instance is I believe the latest version of the Magento dev branch 2.4. If it's not the latest, it's a very recent pull from the project. So if you have the latest Magento, you should be good to go. So like I said, we are going to wait for the database to upgrade. We have this article which is in English, and you also have a French version if you're French people, and it's pretty much similar to what we are going to do here. Some little things have changed, so but nothing major. So we are going to flush the cache. And now here, if we go to store configuration, we should see the Akeneo configuration tab. store configuration. And like I said, yeah, so in catalog you have akeneo-connector. So we are going to set up mostly the API configuration. So you would have to copy the data from here. What am I doing? So the URL is this. And the secrets. We have the latest version of Akeneo. So let's save this first, and this will allow us to test that the connection is okay or not. We don't know, never know. So the connection is working fine. So now we are going to fill the other inputs or configuration tab.